In front of me is REALME C25s, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select personalizations, and just tap on wallpapers. Pick photos or static wallpapers, whichever album you would like to pick your wallpaper from, and just mark the one that you want to apply, for example this one. Then select apply and decide if you want this picture to cover just your lock screen, both of screens, or smoothly go back and pick another picture. But I will put it on both, and that's it. As you can see, it has been already applied on both lock and home screens. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.